here's your sound clip of some djembes. Here's the first one. I took a picture of this one. So the weight is medium to heavy. It's really not too heavy, but it does have a little bit of weight. The carvings are really pretty. The wood is stained dark. The skin on this one is cow skin, so it's a thicker skin. I'll play a little bit. The second full-size djembe here, it's a little bit lighter than the first one. The carvings are really, really pretty. Really nice, pretty carvings. It does have the rope wrap. Colors are green, yellow, black. I'll play a little bit. Deep bass. It has really deep bass. I'm not sure if my mic is picking that up. Now these little guys here, the medium size, the heads are a little bit larger. They're lightweight. This one has the kente cloth wrap. Carvings are really pretty. How much time do I have? Okay, I'm good. And they're perfect size to sit and play. For smaller drums, they have a good, nice voice. One has the same color rope wrap, very nice carvings, nice lightweight, and it's the same exact size as the previous one. Nice loud voice, good bass. Hope this was of some help. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.